Stop everything! Have you ever seen kittens with the cuttest little legs? Prepare to melt! These short-legged fluff balls waddle like tiny ducks. Then launch into playful pounces that look like miniature kangaroo hops. Their stubby paws make every step a delightful wobble. And they love curling up into the tiniest snuggle burritos you've ever seen. Whether they're chasing yarn or simply dozing off mid-play, these kittens prove that big charm comes in small packages. Hit follow for your daily dose of cuteness.